How to fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone. Let's get started. If you're experiencing a poor camera quality on Snapchat on your iPhone, here is a full guide to troubleshoot and improve it. First, update your Snapchat. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Snapchat. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clean the camera lens. Gently clean the iPhone camera lens with a microfiber cloth to remove smuggles or dirt that might blur your images. Next up, adjust Snapchat settings. Launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Apps. From this list, find the option Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Make sure you have given all the access to the Snapchat. Likewise, enable for the option of Background App Refresh. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, what you want to do is check Snapchat filters. Some filters might reduce photo quality. Disable unnecessary filters or effects for a clearer result. Try taking a snap without any filters applied. Next up, what you want to do is completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on your Snapchat. Navigate to the option Remove App. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat, and then download it. Next up, what you want to do is reset your iPhone camera settings. For that, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option Camera. Now, from here, you can reset your camera settings. Go to the option Preserve Settings. From here, customize all these settings according to your preference. With this, you're gonna get best quality for your Snapchat photos. So this way, you can easily fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.